Hi, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before anything else, I'd like to welcome our new subscribers and a big thank you to all of you for all your support. Okay, so now if you watch my post on the LDMOS 2-meter amplifier, I would like to show you the final product. So now I have mounted the PCB on a case and also mounted a cooling fan on top of the heatsink, and also I've added a power on indicator, TX indicator, and the on-off switch. So if you press the PTT, the TX light should come on. Now let's take off the covers and I will show you what I have added to the original circuit. Okay, so basically what changed was the addition of an RF sense circuit, which drives the relay to switch from transmit receive. The RF is sensed on the input, and the circuit operates the relay. And one more thing is I've added a heatsink to the regulator, 18 volts regulator, and also added a dropping resistor to drop the voltage input to the 18 volts regulator. This regulator has a maximum input of 35 volts. If we drive it above that, the regulator will shut down. I also added an inline fuse, this power switch, the LEDs, and the dropping resistors. Okay, that's about it. Again, thanks for watching.